Hello everybody. This guide will show how rolling start procedure works on World Sim Series using Assetto Corsa. Do not start moving until all the start lights are off as usual. Wait for the safety car is in front of all cars. Start moving only when a car in front starts. Notice the SC widget. It means a grid is forming behind the safety car. Do not race and change positions at this stage. Try to keep a consistent pace behind the driver in front. No tire warming by weaving, braking, or accelerating. Form a grid shown below after the last corner. Keep a safe distance from the car in front and don't use the brake pedal to avoid a chain reaction behind. Here, leader approaches pit entry where the safety car pits in, meaning the race start will happen in the following straight. Important. Keep below 80 kilometers per hour and keep a safe and constant distance from the car in front. Red light. Prepare for the green light. Green flag. The race is started. Go.